This is DCS356D1 DEWALT 20V Max XR Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit, variable speed. This is everything included in the kit, and it got a big bag. Not only can fit in all the tools, you can use this bag, put a drill in, maybe even a circular saw. And this bag got 3 pouches on the front, nothing on the back. This is the oscillating tool, and this has variable speed. This is gear 1, so go for gear 2. This is 3. It's not super loud, it's not super vibrating, it's alright. And it's very easy to change the blade. See, just press here. And the tool is really balanced and very good looking. It got lots of rubber area and here, so the tools in your hand is very stable, it's not slippery, and the details is really good. And here are all rubber, so it can bump on things, it can maybe just drop on it, shouldn't be a problem. So this is the charger. This charger can charge 12 volts and 20 volts and the charging indicator. Also, it got the accessory kit with a package. This package is great. Here are all the sandpapers. This is the Allen key. This is the sanding pad. The top part is the metal, so you just put the sandpaper on. This is the blade. It is a DEWALT bimetal blade, and it is a bigger Allen key. It also comes with the big guide. You see here while you're cutting, and this is the little roller, so you basically can glide and do some like a fine cutting. It's pretty good invention, I'd say. And this is the screw that in. And come with the accessories. This tool is not heavy and the vibration is not bad. I think it's very good to use long period of time, and it's brushless motor, so this battery can run longer. It's overall really good tool set. Come with the battery, charger, tool itself, and the starter kit. So for this kit you can do a lot of things. Also, it comes with the bag, so I can put everything in there. You see the bag. The bag is actually super big. You can put a lot of other tools in there, and on the top of the bag it got a metal frame, so it's very easy to open like this. And very easy to close. Now you're ready to go. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.